Hey everyone, Adam here with Bull Logic. Just want to talk to you about a trade I took today, how to play a PR breakout coupled with a chart breakout. These plays can be very strong because not only do you have the PR as a catalyst pushing these stocks higher, you also have a chart breakout over a resistance. Now you're getting a grouping of people chasing the PR and who play those stocks, and then you're also getting a group who play the breakout of the chart. When those come together, you can get some serious moves in these stocks. One of the stocks that I played today was SPU. I came over here in the morning and I was going through my Yahoo in play. It's something I do every morning. It's a free little news service. It provides all the what's going on, what's happening in the news. It's not the best news service, but it does help me go through it in the morning. I only use it before the market. It is free, so that's always a good thing. Coming on through, and I like to look for earnings beats, maybe some earnings misses if I'm looking to short. Maybe somebody signed a big contract, somebody's buying somebody, some FDA approval, whatever. I like to look for some gap ups in the morning, give me something to play during the day. Came in here looking for SBU. The Sky People Fruit Juice earlier provided supplementary information on its fiscal year end in 2011 cash balances. Basically, NASDAQ was looking for them to verify that their cash was legit, and they did. So we did get a nice gap up this morning. As you can see, it gapped up about 19% this morning before running higher. And keeping this thing on watch on a 5-minute chart, you can see most of the action came in the first 5 minutes. I noticed it was coming up here this $2 range, which is also a big number. One, it's a good support. Two, it's a round number that we like those round number breaks. And three, we got that 200-day moving average sitting there. Set my order in for 201 right over that. Got filled at 202, and after that, this market just ran straight up. Scaled out my first half at 214 for a nice 6% gain. I like to scale out my profits just on those fast run-ups, because anything that runs up really quick is going to come down really quick. I want to make sure I get some profit out of it, lock in a little bit of profit, set my stop to the buy-in at the 202. That way, I'm playing on house money. It's a no-lose trade. I might not make as much as I could have if I would have just got all out, but then again, I might make a lot more if this thing continues to run. And it's actually what it did. It ran all the way up to 224. I got out another fourth at 220 for another little over 8% on those shares. I set the last fourth buy-in at that 202 range. My stop at that 202. Unfortunately, the stock did come straight down pretty much. It did stop me out of those last quarter shares at that 202, but that's okay because I was able to scale out half of that 214 and another fourth of that 220, locking in some good profits for the day. This was a quick 5-minute trade. As you can see, in the first 5 minutes was when it all ran up, and then after that it was just a direct sell-off. So definitely keep these news breaks on watch, especially if you can get them with a chart break. It's a huge catalyst, plus it's a chart break. These things can really run. Definitely something that you need to have in your repertoire of stocks if you're a day trader. Hopefully that helps you play these kind of trades. Thank you.